Hey guys, and welcome to a new video.
Today I will show you how to make a very affordable and easy photo grid. Have seen them a lot online and I loved the idea, so I thought I will DIY my own. We will need sticks. We don't need the pointed tip ends, so with a nibber, cut them off. Spray them with any color you want. I've chosen pink because it goes with my room. But if you don't have a spray or can't afford one, the original color will look great too. Decide how long you want your grid to be. Mine is 55 by 32 centimeters, so I needed to cut some sticks very short to fill the gaps. I'm planning on having 5 rows. Stick the ends together with a glue gun or super glue. We'll do 7 columns. And we're done. A piece of cake, right? Now the fun part, the photos. Feel free to hang whatever photos, cards, quotes you like. Saturday Army! Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this DIY or at least got inspired in a way or another. We're all for now, so